Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores for the next 24 hours only until 4 p.m. Queensland time. Yeah, we're doing it. It is the 2022 Royal Canadian Mint Silver Maple Leaf coin, a fan favorite in people's stacks. Do you own silver maple leaves of any particular year? Post a comment below. What year do you have? Do you get them every year? Just let us know. Or do you not have any? Post your comments below as to why you may not like them. We want to hear all opinions too. But of course, this is a really good special as far as I'm concerned. I think this is going to be, for the next 24 hours, the best priced silver maple leaf coin from any dealer within Australia that have them available in stock. So I think that's a pretty big call, but I think it's true. So I'll tell you that deal in just a second. Of course, let's quickly go through the details right here. Of course, Canada up the top from the Royal Canadian Mint, the silver maple leaf in beautiful detail in the middle. Of course, fine silver, 1 ounce, argent pur. That is going to be in French, as my understanding that would be, for pure silver, 9999, so 4 nines on the left and the right there, so indicating 4 nines pure silver, 99.9999% pure silver. They can get it to that such a high purity. You'll also notice, if I do this, you'll notice the very, very small lines on the coin. They're called radial lines. It's an extra security feature as well. You also have here the maple leaf within a maple leaf within a maple leaf, just right there where my beloved finger is, right there. You get a magnifying glass, you'll see the maple leaves going all the way down, kind of like a Russian doll situation. Let's turn it over to the obverse, and of course, an effigy of Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II. May she rest in peace. Of course, the last time you will see an effigy of Her Majesty on the coin. Of course, $5. It's face value in Canadian dollars, and 2022 right there. The Canadian maple leaf coin was the first bullion coin that I ever purchased. Back in 2010, I was purchasing bars and I decided I really want 1 ounce coins, and I absolutely chose the maple. I really, really wanted maples for some reason. I'm really glad I did. I got them and they came in, I bought a tube of 25. Now, if you want to buy 25, they come in a wonderful, I think it's one of the best silver tubes of all the world coins. I really love the Philharmonic tubes, but I think the maple tubes are really, really cool. So that's what you would get if you buy them in lots of 25 in a sealed tube right there, sealed with on the top right there. Fantastic. And here's the deal. Are you ready? So, as I said, I think this might be the best priced silver maple leaf coin in all of Australian dealers that are available for the next 24 hours. We are offering $1.50 off per coin, no matter how many you buy. So you don't have to buy 100, you can just buy one, and it's $1.50 off our regular price right now. So if you click the link below, which is going to be the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment to the specific product page, do your own price comparison with other dealers that have them available right now. I think you're going to find for the next 24 hours, best price in Australia. So that is the deal, $1.50 off per coin, no matter whether you're just buying 1 or 25 or whatever. Consider buying them in the 25s. Bear in mind, these, if you buy them singularly, they don't come in capsules. Even though, look, they are bullion grade, so it's not like you're not buying them for the mint condition, blemish free, all that sort of stuff. If you want that, then you buy, like first strikes and your real like high premium, in cards and all that kind of stuff. So you are buying bullion coins, so bear that in mind, of course, but they don't come individually encapsulated if you're, purchasing, not, 25. So consider purchasing 25 if you have the spare dry powder for that, because they do come in the beautiful tubes. So that is it. As I said, $1.50 off per coin for the 2022 1 ounce silver maple leaf coin, available next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time on Thursday. You know them, you love them, you want them, and of course you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Ainslie Bullion. Hit the big red subscribe button, because that's where you get notified first of these specials, and you want to be the early bird before they all go. All right, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.